Check engine light and track off light on your Toyota Corolla or Camry. Don't panic, you might not need a mechanic. In this video, I'll show you 3 quick fixes that anyone can do at home, no tools or experience needed. 1. The gas cap trick. This is the most common cause, and the easiest fix. Turn off your car. Unscrew the gas cap completely. Screw it back on until it clicks 3 times. Drive for 10 to 15 minutes. If the lights turn off, boom, you just saved money and a trip to the shop. 2. Battery reset. Sometimes your car just needs a reset. Here's how. 1. Turn off the engine. 2. Open the hood. 3. Disconnect the negative black battery cable for 2 minutes. 4. Reconnect it and start your car. This resets your vehicle's onboard computer (ECU) and might clear those lights. 3. Check for loose wires. Under the hood, gently wiggle or press in these connectors. Oxygen sensor, near the exhaust manifold. MOS sensor, near the air filter box. Throttle body connector, big silver intake pipe. Loose connections equals false warnings. Reseating them can fix sensor errors. Still seeing the lights? Don't guess. Scan. Use a OBD2 scanner. Read the error codes to find out exactly what's wrong. Then decide if it's DIY or time for a mechanic. If this helped, hit that like button, drop a comment with which fix worked for you, and subscribe for more simple car fixes that save you cash.